Hi spelling class, I hope you're all doing well. Great work last week and last class, practicing writing sentences made up of words you already know how to spell, and practicing your letter sounds, and also practicing matching your words. So well done. Just as a reminder, don't forget that when we're writing a sentence, the first letter of the first word needs to be an uppercase letter, and then we have to remember to end each sentence with an end mark. So if it's a question, we have to use our question mark, and if it's a statement or a regular sentence, we need to remember to put a period at the end. So for today's class, we're going to be looking at lesson 18. So we have parts A through D, so let's get started. So I'll read what it says in our book. So let's look at part A on your worksheet. You're going to write 2 sentences made up of words we already know how to spell. Remember to start the first word with a capital letter and to put an end mark at the end of your sentence. So sentence number 1 should say, "Will you do this with me?" Once again, sentence 1 is, "Will you do this with me?" Let's say it together. Get ready. Will you do this with me? So this sentence is going to be a question. So we have to remember to put a question mark at the end. So let's try to sound out each word. So our first word is the word will. Let's spell will. Get ready. W-I-L-L. Great work. The next word is the word you. Let's spell you. Get ready. Y-O-U. The next word is the word do. Let's spell do. Get ready. D-O. Nice job. The next word is the word this. It has our th sound, so we have to remember that it has the TH, right? So this is spelled T-H-I-S. Our next word is the word with, which also has our th sound, which is spelled with what letters? Get ready. Right? It's T-H. Great job. So with is spelled W-I-T-H. And then our last word is going to be the word me, which is spelled M-E. So once again, since this is a question, we have to remember to put our question mark at the end. Your next sentence for number 2 is the sentence, "Give me 5 balls." What's the sentence? Get ready. Give me 5 balls. Right, so that's what you're going to write for sentence number 2. So just as a recap, sentence number 1 was the sentence, "Will you do this with me?" And sentence 2 was the sentence, "Give me 5 balls." So you can pause this video now, and then I'm going to show you what your sentences should look like. So if you're not finished writing your sentences, please pause the video, and then as soon as you're ready, I will show you what they will be. Right, so this is what your 2 sentences should look like, right? We started our sentence, both of them, with a capital letter, and then we finished them off with our end mark. Since the first sentence was a question, I had to use my question mark, and then our second sentence was a regular sentence, so I finished it off with a period, right? And then for the second sentence, give is G-I-V-E. It has our V sound that we've been looking at. Me is M-E. 5, right, has our V sound again, so it's F-I-V-V-E. And then we have the word balls, which has our all sound, right? A-L, so B-A-L-L-S. So great job. If you have any words that you misspelled or you forgot your capitals or your end marks, please put those in now, and then I'll see you guys in part B. So welcome back to part B. So we've learned to spell some words that contain the letter O and end in the letter E. So let's see if we can spell any of these words. So let's look for number 1 for part B. Word 1 is the word sum. What word? Get ready. Some. So let's write that word down for number 1. Word number 2 is the word love. What word? Get ready. Love. So please write that down. Remember, all of the words we're writing in part B will have the letter O, and the last letter for all of these words will be the letter E. Word 3 is the word one. What word? Get ready. One. So please write that word down for number 3. Word number 4 is the word above. What word? Get ready. Above. Great job. Let's write that in for number 4. We have 2 more words to go. Word number 5 is the word none. What word? Get ready. None. So let's write that down for number 5. And then our last word for part B, word number 6, is going to be the word done. What word? Get ready. Done. So write that down for number 6. So I'll quickly go over the 6 words. For part B, word 1 was the word some. Word 2 was the word love. Word 3 was the word one. Word 4 was the word above. Word 5 was the word none. And word 6 was the word done. So you can pause the video now, make sure we write those words in, and then I'll see you in part C. So welcome back to part C. So let's look at part C on our worksheet. So we're going to write some words that have the S sound, which is spelled with the letter S. So all of the words in part C will begin with the letter S. So repeat the words after me. So word 1 is the word snap. What word? Get ready. Snap. So let's write that down for number 1. Once again, the word is snap. Word number 2 is the word smell. What word? Get ready. Smell. Right? So let's write that down for number 2. Word number 3 is the word swim. What word? Get ready. Swim. So please write that down for number 3. Word number 4 is going to be the word stop. What word? Get ready. Stop. So let's write that down for number 4. And then our 5th and final word for part C will be the word spin. What word? Get ready. Spin. Great work. So once again, don't forget that all of the words in part C begin with the S sound, and they should all start with the letter S. So word 1 was the word snap. Word 2 was the word smell. Word 3 was the word swim. Word 4 was the word stop. And word 5 was the word spin. So you can pause the video now, make sure we have all of those words written in, and then I'll see you in part D, which will be the last part for today's lesson. So let's find part D on your worksheet. What you're going to have to do is first write in the missing letters in the sentence, and then underneath you're going to write the sentence. So the sentence should say, where were the girls going? Once again, what the sentence should say is, where were the girls going? This sentence should sound familiar because we've practiced writing it in our last lesson. So let's say this sentence together. Get ready. Where were the girls going? So a few of these words that we have to write come from our vocabulary test words, right? So don't forget that next Friday, May 29th, you have your next test. So please continue to review your words. So once again, for part D, what we have to do is first fill in the missing letters, and then we have to write the sentence underneath. The sentence was, where were the girls going? Don't forget to start your sentence with a capital letter, right? So the first letter will be a W, so we need an uppercase W. And then when you're writing the sentence underneath, don't forget that since this is a question, you're going to have to add in your question mark. If you want to look over your spelling, I've also attached the answer key for lesson 18. So once you're done this, you can look that over. Continue the awesome job, and I hope you all have a great weekend. See ya!